Welcome to the Microsoft Azure Cloud Computing Structured Learning Roadmap, your complete pathway from foundation to mastery. 7 progressive phases, 14 courses, over 20 Microsoft certifications, 1 complete Azure Mastery Roadmap. This roadmap equips learners to administer, develop, secure, architect, and master the full Microsoft Azure ecosystem. Phase 1 lays the foundation: cloud computing models, Azure global infrastructure, and core services explained clearly. Course 06-01-101 covers IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, Azure regions, compute, storage, networking, and pricing models for AZ900. Phase 1 recommends the AZ900, Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamentals, your entry point to the Azure certification path. Phase 2 builds administration skills: identity, governance, virtual machines, networking, storage, monitoring, and backup. Course 06-01-102 covers Microsoft Entra ID, MFA, conditional access, RBAC, PIM, and Azure governance with policy and blueprints. Course 06-01-103 covers VM management, advanced networking, storage, Azure Monitor, log analytics, KQL, backup, and site recovery. Phase 2 certifies you as an AZ-104 Azure Administrator Associate, validating real-world cloud infrastructure management skills. Phase 3 trains developers to build cloud-native applications using serverless, containers, messaging, and secure Azure services. Course 06-01-104 covers Azure App Service, Functions, AKS, Messaging, Key Vault, Cosmos DB, Redis Cache, and Application Insights. The AZ-204 Azure Developer Associate certification validates your ability to design, build, and cloud-native Azure solutions. Phase 4 delivers 4 specialist tracks: security operations, AI engineering, data engineering, and database administration. Course 06-01-105 covers Entra ID protection, Microsoft Purview, Microsoft Sentinel ASM, and the full Defender XDR suite. Course 06-01-106 covers Azure AI services, cognitive APIs, Azure Machine Learning, Azure AI, and generative RAG architectures. Course 06-01-107 covers Azure Data Lake, Synapse Analytics, ADF, Databricks, real-time streaming, and Microsoft Purview governance. Course 06-01-108 covers Azure SQL, managed instances, performance tuning, high availability, security, and open source database services. Phase 4 earns 4 credentials: SC200 Security, AI102 AI Engineer, DP203 Data Engineer, and DP300 Database Administrator. Phase 5 develops expert architecture skills: well-architected framework, landing zones, multi-region design, and enterprise networking. Course 06-01-109 covers WAF pillars, landing zones, multi-region resilience, hub-spoke networking, hybrid cloud, FinOps, and cost architecture. The AZ-305 Azure Solutions Architect Expert Credential validates mastery of enterprise-scale Azure architecture and design decisions. Phase 6 builds expert-level cybersecurity architecture and DevOps engineering, the most demanding Microsoft expert certifications. Course 06-01-110 covers Zero Trust Architecture, Enterprise Sentinel Design, Identity Strategy, Compliance Frameworks, and CNAPP Security. Course 06-01-111 covers Azure DevOps Pipelines, GitHub Actions, Bicep IAC, DevSecOps, SRE Principles, and Agile Transformation Practices. Phase 6 earns the SC100 Cybersecurity Architect Expert and AZ400 DevOps Engineer Expert Elite Microsoft credentials. Phase 7 reaches mastery: Cosmos DB, Microsoft Fabric, Power Platform, Microsoft 365, SAP on Azure, and Cloud Adoption Leadership. Course 06-01-112 covers Cosmos DB, Microsoft Fabric, Power BI, Azure AI Foundry, Phi3, GPT-4o, and Advanced Analytics Architectures. Course 06-01-113 covers Power Apps, Power Automate, Microsoft 365 Administration, Teams Governance, and Microsoft Copilot Integration. Course 06-01-114 covers SAP on Azure, HPC workloads, Azure VMware Solution, Cloud Adoption Framework Strategy, and sustainability practices. Phase 7 earns DP420 Cosmos DB Specialty, PL400 Power Platform Developer, and AZ120 SAP on Azure Specialty credentials. This roadmap is designed for IT professionals, developers, data engineers, security teams, and cloud architects at any career stage. Graduates will be Microsoft certified professionals, job ready for cloud administration, development, security, architecture, and data roles. Institutes offering this roadmap deliver Microsoft-aligned, industry-recognized training that drives learner outcomes and institutional reputation. AI Ladder Academy is your trusted Microsoft-aligned learning partner, equipping professionals to climb every cloud excellence. Start your Azure mastery journey today with AI Ladder Academy, where every certification is a rung toward your cloud career peak.
This course introduction was presented by AI Ladder Academy to give you a glimpse into your learning journey. We've designed this path for your success. Now, let's dive into the first lesson.